welcome. I'm really excited for this video because it's my first YouTube video and I'm going to be showing you the process of me upcycling this vest using crochet. So I'm really excited because I just started crocheting back in like December, but this has been a really cool creative outlet to like upcycle thrifted clothes, and I'm really excited to show you the whole process of how I came up with the ideas and what the process was like from start to finish, even though I don't have a lot of the start portion of it, but I'm gonna get better at that. So I'm really excited to show you some of the other things that I've created and some other crochet videos and surf skate videos and gaming. So yeah, there's a lot to come and I'm really excited, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we are talking about the red vest. So this is the before. This is like untouched, just bought it from the store. And this is kind of what we're working on right now. I didn't record any of the changes that I had made to it because I just didn't think about it and I was really excited. So as you can see, I've taken off the, I'm looking over here like I'm looking at it, that symbol. So I took off the pockets, I removed them, and then I also removed the buttons and I sewed up the buttonholes and stuff. And then there was also these two ties on the bottom to like, I guess, tie it up. And I took those off as well. And so since then I crocheted a long chain and then just put it around like as edging. So that's kind of where we're at still. And this vest has gone through so many idea changes, and I'm going to go through my Mila note and oh my god, my posture is really bad, I can feel it. Sorry, mid-sentence. I'm gonna go through my Mila note later, my like dashboard on there with different ideas and kind of what the ideas culminated into. Yes, I did these rectangle granny squares that are basically like little pockets, and those are going to be at the bottom. And then I also found a pattern for an African granny square, African flower granny square. And I thought that those were really pretty and it fit the vibe that I was trying to do with the vest. So I kind of alternated colors on them so that it would be a little bit asymmetrical, because I just like to make things a little bit different but still match. But yeah, so then, because I just need to keep adding things, I found a pattern for this mesh stitch that I really liked. And so I'm putting that on the back, and then after I sew it down, I'll cut out the kind of inside of it so that it's see-through. So yeah, that is, ooh, Gunter. Why are you crying, buddy? Don't cry. Don't cry, Gunter. I know, buddy. I know. Yeah, we're gonna pin it now. Okay, so we've just pinned everything on, and yeah, I really like how it looks. I must have sewed this like 4 times and took it apart every time because it wasn't my vision, or like it wasn't sitting right. It was like pulling on the fabric. So I'm really excited about this. I might do little ties in here, which is always cute. So yeah, I'm super excited, and I'm gonna sew it up and see how it looks. But yeah, praying that it looks good. So stay tuned. this is the finished vest. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I'm super excited to talk through kind of what changes I made. So first I added on the African flower granny squares where the pockets used to be, and then I added little rectangle granny squares as pockets, and I also added these little mismatched buttons to them because they were kind of flying open, and the buttons helped to keep it closed, but also just a cute little accessory. And then the kind of vibe I was getting from the vest was like a 70s kind of West Coast vibe. So I of course added the fringe. I also added this little tie in the front with the little wooden beads, which I thought was really cute. And then the mesh stitch on the back, I decided to go with vertical instead of horizontal because it felt like it just showed more and it kind of fit the layout of the actual shirt a lot better. The only thing that I would consider changing is to just like make the armpit holes bigger. I'm gonna attempt to open them up somehow, but that won't really be like anything cute, just a larger armpit hole for us living in Florida who are sweating constantly. So those are all the changes that I made. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks awesome. I'm super stoked about it. I really, really love it. So I'm super excited to hear what you think about it, what you would like about it, if there's anything that you would change. As a reminder, this is what it looked like when I bought it, and this is what it looks like now. So that's, I feel like, a really big change, and I'm really proud that I took on this project kind of early on in my crocheting hobby journey. Yeah, so please let me know what you think, and I can't wait to do another one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.